All right, here we have number 4. Round to the nearest 50,000 in the thousands of dollars of homes sold by retailers are listed as 30,000, 250,000, 20,000, 250, 350, 400, 300, 250, 400, and 300. So these are in thousands of dollars. Okay. All right. Just reminder, this is not hundreds. This is are in thousands. Okay. Create a dot plot. So let's see. Let's see. We could start this at 0. Let's see. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 350, 400, 450. Oh, that works. Perfect. All right, let's do the first one, 300. So 300. Oh, no. That is bad. I screwed that up. So 250. This is 300, 350, 400. Okay. So 300 looks like it's right here. 250 looks like it's right here. 200 looks like it's right here. 250, 350, 400, 300, 250, 400, and 300. Oh, supposed to retailer sell a home that is 650. Whoa, that's what? That's 400, 450, 500, 550. Then this is also 600. Which statistic will affect with the 650? That is 650 is the outlier. So what gets affected would be the mean would be affected, right? It gets pulled. The mean will get pulled. 650 would be considered an outlier. Just your answer mathematically. Okay. Well, we can find the standard deviation, right? So we can say the standard deviation is high, or we can also say that the median is probably roughly what, around here, is around 250 to 300. Okay. Find the mean and the median of the set without the 650. Then again, I can just plug that into a calculator, but hey, let's do it by hand. I have 250, right? So let me do this. This is 250. Do I have another 250? 250. Any other? Oh, sorry. Why waste my time? I have the dot plot right here. So let's see, 250. Or I can just use a calculator. Now let's just type it out. 250 plus, no, sorry, there's a 200 plus 250 plus 250. There's 3 250s, 3 300s, and 1 350, and 2 400s, right? Perfect. All right. So the mean would be room 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So the median would be 300. Okay, and then let's find the mean. I use a calculator for this one. How many data points? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 divided by 10. Oh, huh. The mean was also 300. Okay. All right, let's do this with the 350. I'm gonna make that in blue. All right, so if I add this 350 here, let's redo that. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, the median is still 300. Okay, but let's see what happens here. Plus plus what? 650 divided by 11. The new mean with the new calculation is 331.82. If the 650 is included, why might the retailer want to use the mean instead of the median when advertising the typical value of the home? Well, because the mean price is higher, so the realtor will make more money. That's the reason why they would want to list it that high, because they can make more money. Okay, this is why it's typically for people to use just the median, because it doesn't get affected by the outliers.